friends, it is day 5 of Vlogmas, and today we are doing Princess Yue makeup from Avatar because I told y'all I was gonna do it, and also because I love Avatar. Before we get started, you guys know the drill. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button so that you never miss another cosplay makeup look from yours truly. I have gotten rid of my eyebrows. Next we're gonna grab some white eyeshadow and we're gonna put it right underneath our brow bone. Then we're gonna take some blue and put it right on top of the white right there. Right, then you want to go on with a lighter blue and blend those two colors together. Go back in with your concealer and we're going to clean this up. We're going to take a blue liquid liner and we're going to line right underneath where that line is. Okie dokie, now that that's done, we're going to put white all over our lid. We're going to put silver in the inner corners of our eye. Finally, we're going to take a black eyeliner and we're going to line our eyes. How are we going to do the lips? We're going to outline our lips with a darker color, and then we're going to go in the middle with the lighter color to give them more definition. So tell me, if you lived in the world of the Avatar and you could be an avatar, what nation would you be from? I would most likely be from the Water Nation. I resonate with the Water Nation. My second favorite would probably be the Earth, but I think I would end up being from the Water Nation. I'm kind of got like a Korra-esque attitude problem. I'm like Korra and Katara's attitude meshed together, like from the Water Nation. Yeah. So let me know down in the comments which nation you would be from. I added some gloss to give my lips a little bit more definition. Now I'm going to just add some blush to give our skin some color, not too much, and then we highlight. Alright, we look good. Time to go put on the wig and the shirt. I will be back.
My first girlfriend turned into the moon. That's rough, buddy.
And there you have it. Here is the finished product of our Yue look. Alright, well I actually gotta say, I actually kind of like this look. Make sure you stay tuned tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 6, where I will be doing a full cosplay tutorial, and this one will be one you do not want to miss, especially if you like a particular Netflix Christmas movie, which I know a lot of y'all like. So be prepared. It's one of my favorite cosplays that I'm ever going to do, and I'm super excited to share it with you. Make sure you check us out on Instagram, on Facebook, and on TikTok, where it gets weird and where we have fun and where I'm going to be doing tons of awesome TikToks. Alright, and also don't forget about the Your Nerdy Girlfriend podcast. I will see you guys tomorrow. Happy holidays. Stay safe this holiday season.